today we are going to begin with the lesson number 9 of your class 8 English, that is a brave boy Krishna. So let's begin with this lesson. Krishna was born into a family of 5 consisting of his parents and 3 siblings. So Krishna कहाँ पे born हुआ था? उसकी family में 5 members थे, उसके 2 parents mother and father और उसके 3 siblings थे. So early in life he learned about the hardship of life. So उसने किस चीज के बारे में learn करा? Life की hardship, मुसीबतों के बारे में, and started helping his father in his work, और अपने father को help करना start कर दिया काम में उनके. So the scarcity of food and clothes was a part of parcel of his life. So जो scarcity थी food की कमी और clothes की, वो मतलब क्या थे? Part of parcel थे उसकी life के. He was not ashamed of the sordid poverty in which he had been brought up. वो बिल्कुल भी ashamed feel नहीं करता था कि वो मतलब poverty में brought up हुआ, उसकी देखभाल poverty में हुई है. Instead he was extremely proud of his parents who worked day and night to feed the family. और वो अपने पेरेंट्स से बहुत ज़्यादा प्राउड फील करता था कि वो डे और नाइट दिन रात काम करते हैं अपनी फैमिली को फीड करने के लिए, मतलब पालने के लिए. So his only sorrow was his illiteracy. उसका बस एक ही दुख था कि वो illiterate है, कि पढ़ नहीं पाया. He could not read or write. वो ना read कर पाता था ना वो लिख पाता था. It pains him to see other children in the neighborhood sitting around their homes happily laughing at colorful storybooks and scribbling down stories for their teachers. So वो देखता था अपने आसपास के जो बच्चे थे वो मतलब हाथ में अपनी कलरफुल स्टोरी बुक्स लेके रखते थे और स्क्राइब डाउन करते थे, स्टोरीज लिखते थे अपनी टीचर्स के लिए, मतलब बोलते थे अपनी टीचर्स की स्टोरी बताते थे. ही फेल्ट सैड लुकिंग एट द नीटली ड्रेस स्कूल गोइंग चिल्ड्रन. वो सब दुख होता था जब वो नीटली स्कूल गोइंग चिल्ड्रन को देखता था कि मैं क्यों नहीं जा पाता. ही प्रॉमिस्ड हिमसेल्फ दैट ही वुड एजुकेट हिमसेल्फ एंड फ्री हिज फैमिली फ्रॉम द क्लॉज ऑफ पॉवर्टी. और उसने प्रॉमिस करा अपने आप से कि वो अपने आप को एजुकेट करेगा, मतलब अपने आप को पढ़ाएगा और अपनी फैमिली को पॉवर्टी से निकाल लेगा. In the hope of gaining some knowledge, he used to go to a nearby school and sit outside listening to the teachers. So मतलब नॉलेज लेने के लिए वो कहाँ जाता था? आसपास के स्कूल में जाता था और बाहर बैठ के टीचर्स की बातें सुनता था. He followed classes in English and maths and especially enjoyed the storytelling sessions. वो किसके क्लासेस फॉलो करता? जो वहाँ पे स्कूल में इंग्लिश की क्लासेस होती थी, मैथ्स की होती थी और स्टोरी टेलिंग सेशंस को बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय करता था. दे ऑलवेज सीम टू टेक प्लेस ऑन फ्राइडे आफ्टरनून. तो कब होते थे? हमेशा फ्राइडे आफ्टरनून्स में होते थे. ही वॉज ऑफन आस्क्ड टू लीव द स्कूल ग्राउंड. उसे मतलब बोला जाता था कि स्कूल के ग्राउंड को छोड़ दो. हाउएवर दिस डिड नॉट डैम्पन हिज स्पिरिट. उससे उसकी स्पिरिट कम नहीं होती थी पढ़ने की. It made him bolder and more determined to educate himself. इससे वो ज़्यादा बोल्डर हो रहा था, बहुत ज़्यादा डिटरमाइन हो रहा था कि मुझे पढ़ना है. One day, while walking near a railway line surrounded by hills, he noticed a landslide about to occur. जब वो रेलवे लाइन में साइड में चल रहा था, सराउंडेड जो हिल्स के पास थी, उसने देखा कि अब लैंडस्लाइड होने वाली है. और तो he had never been to school, but वो कभी स्कूल नहीं गया था, बट उसने देख लिया कि लैंडस्लाइड होने वाली है. He had learned about how dangerous landslides were from listening to stories by his grandfather. उसको पता चला था, उसने जो अपने ग्रैंडफादर से स्टोरी सुनी थी कि कितनी ज़्यादा डेंजरस होती है लैंडस्लाइड. He ran as fast as he could along the railway line to save himself. वो बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट रन करा रेलवे लाइन के क्रॉस अपने आप को बचाने के लिए. Unfortunately, his foot got trapped in the railway track and he fell injuring his knee. उसका कहाँ पे रेलवे ट्रैक पे उसका फुट वो मतलब गिर गया वहाँ पे और उसकी नी में इंजरी हो गई. He started limping towards home with his painful bleeding knee. मतलब वो थोड़ा थोड़ा खिसक के जाने लगे अपने घर की तरफ अपनी पेनफुल नी के साथ, ब्लीडिंग नी के साथ. He thanked God for saving his life from the landslide and hoped at the same time that no train would come that way as there was boulders on the railway's track. तो उसने ये भी थैंक गॉड करा कि वो लैंडस्लाइड से बच गया और रास्ते में कोई उस टाइम पे रेलवे ट्रैक पे कोई ट्रेन नहीं आई क्योंकि वहाँ पे बाउल्डर्स थे रेलवे ट्रैक्स पे. However, to his horror, Krishna saw a train coming towards him on the same blocked railway track. उसने देखा कि सेम ब्लॉक रेलवे ट्रैक पे ट्रेन उसकी तरफ आ रही है. He immediately imagined that if the train did not stop in time, then many people's lives would be in danger. तो उसने इमेजिन करा कि वहाँ पे तो रेलवे ट्रैक ब्लॉक है लैंडस्लाइड की वजह से, अगर वहाँ पे ट्रेन नहीं रुकी तो बहुत सारे लोगों की लाइफ डेंजर में, खतरे में आ जाएगी. However, the communication system in the train between the driver and the safety officials was not very well developed. उस टाइम पे क्या था, जो कम्युनिकेशन था ड्राइवर और सेफ्टी ऑफिशियल के इतना ज़्यादा डेवलप नहीं था. So the driver was not aware of the danger facing the train. तो ड्राइवर को नहीं पता था कि ट्रेन में क्या डेंजर होने वाला है, क्या मतलब पैसेंजर्स को क्या डेंजर होने वाला है. कृष्णा knew he had to do something. कृष्णा ने सोचा कि अब उसको ही कुछ करना पड़ेगा. An idea crossed his mind. उसके माइंड में एक आइडिया आया. He smeared his vest with the blood oozing from his knee. उसने अपनी वेस्ट को मतलब निकाला, जो ब्लड ओजिंग ब्लड निकल रहा था वहां से. Then he managed to limp towards the train. जो मतलब smear means मतलब to rub with grease, मतलब अपनी उसको रब कर दिया अपनी ब्लड से अपनी टी शर्ट अपने वेस्ट को, और उसकी ट्रेन की तरफ लिम्प करने लगा. So while waving the red blood stained vest, जो उसने रेड ब्लड स्टेन वेस्ट को वेव कर रहा था, fortunately the train driver saw the red danger signal. ट्रेन ड्राइवर ने रेड डेंजर सिग्नल देख लिया and stopped at a safe distance, और safe distance में ट्रेन को रोक दिया. After being satisfied that his idea had worked, Krishna fainted and dropped to the ground. इतनी देर में फिर कृष्णा फेंट हो गया, वो बेहोश हो गया, ग्राउंड पे गिर गया. The doctors had to amputate his legs, causing him to become disabled for life. So doctors had to cut off his limb, मतलब उसकी limb कट करनी पड़ी to become disabled for life. मतलब वो पूरी लाइफ के लिए अनेबल हो गया अपनी मतलब मूवमेंट के लिए. कृष्णा bathed in the light of popularity for some days and enjoyed it. कुछ दिन के लिए कृष्णा मतलब पॉपुलैरिटी में आ गया. Newspapers were filled with stories of the brave boy who averted a major tragedy. तो न्यूज़पेपर में पूरे उस बॉय के बारे में आने लगे जिसने इतनी बड़ी ट्रेजेडी को होने से बचा दिया. But just as happened to most people who feature in news stories, this attention did not last long and soon Krishna fell back into obscurity, मतलब darkness. मतलब ये जो पॉपुलैरिटी ज्यादा दिन तक नहीं चली, थोड़े दिन बाद उसे सब लोग भूल गए. He was not sad about his disability, मतलब वो अपनी disability की वजह से sad नहीं था, but instead was happy that his actions had helped to save lives of thousands of passengers. But वो happy feel कर रहा था कि उसके action से बहुत सारे लोगों की जान बच गई. Now let's solve the exercise of this lesson. Why was Krishna unable to attend the school? He was not interested in studies. He was helping his father in work due to scarcity. The school was too far from his home. There was no school in the vicinity. He was helping his father in work due to the scarcity. Krishna was born into a family of 5, consisting of his parents and 3 siblings. Krishna followed classes in English and maths. One day, while walking near a railway line surrounded by hills, what consequences did Krishna face after saving the train from a landslide? Fame, injury, wealth, or reward? Fill in the blank. The scarcity of food and clothes was a dash and dash of his life. Now fill in the blanks. The scarcity of food and clothes was a constant and cruel part of his life. Constant. Cruel. He could not dash or read or write. He started dash towards home with his painful knee. He started limping. Towards his home with his painful bleeding knee. Krishna saw a train coming towards him on the same down track. Krishna fainted and fell to the ground. Now let's solve the true first. Krishna was extremely proud of his parents who worked day and night to feed his family. True. He was often asked to leave the school ground. True. The driver was aware of the danger facing the train. False. The doctor has to amputate his leg, causing him to become disabled for life. True. Magazines were filled with stories of brave boys who averted a major tragedy. True. Now let's solve the question and answers. Explain why the teachers in the nearby school might have chased Krishna away. Were they right to do so? Were they right to do so? So the teachers of the in the nearby school might have chased Krishna away because he did not pay the fee and he was sitting in the ground and were listening to them. They were not right because Krishna has also right to study. Now Krishna was seriously injured and yet he was thanking God. Why? Yes, the Krishna was seriously injured. He lost his knee, he lost his leg in the accident, but he saved many lives, so he was very thankful to God. Explain why the driver of the train had not been told about the landslide. The driver of the train was not being told about the landslide because at that time the office there was not any connection between the officials and the messengers. So why do you think that red is a universal sign of danger? Because I think the universal sign of danger is red because it stops everything. The people can know that there is any danger with the red color. Like on red light, you always stop. So like that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.